Today we're going to talk about subtracting integers. So the first thing you need to do is circle each number and everything in front of it. So the first number I see is 3. The next number I see is -8. So it says circle everything in front of it. So I circle everything in front of it. So now label positive or negative. 3. Is 3 a positive integer or a negative integer? It is a positive integer. Now, -8 is like -8. Is that a positive or negative? It is a negative integer. So now it is time to solve this. So I'm going to draw it out. I will draw out 3 positives and I will draw 8 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have something called 0 pairs. A positive and negative cancels out and becomes a 0 pair. And what is left? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So 3 minus 8 is equal to -5. Some of you may not some of you may prefer it using a number line. So let's do that same question over again. 3 minus 8. So the first thing I do is I circle each number and everything in front of it. So I circle the 3, and then this is 8, circle everything in front of it, -8. This is positive, and -8 is like -8, and that's negative. So now it is time to make a number line. So the first thing I do is I always start at 0. 0 is the starting point. 3 positive. Do I go left of 0 or right of 0? Right of 0 by 3 units. Then the second number is -8. So do I go left or right to go negative? I go left. So I go 8 units to the left. I should have counted 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit. So the answer is -5. Let's practice another example. Circle each number and everything in front of it. So the first number is 3. The second number is -8, but you have to say circle everything in front of it. So now label positive or negative. 3 is a positive integer or number. Now this is where it gets a little harder. So I'm going to highlight this negative in front of it. So when you highlight this negative in front of it, it's saying what is the opposite of a -8? What is the opposite of a negative? A +8. So this is really +8. So that is positive. I could rewrite this as 3 plus 8. So opposite of a -8 is positive. So I will draw this out. 3 positives. You have 8 positives. Do you see any 0 pairs? Will anything cancel here? No. So the answer is 11. Let's try it with a number line again. So the question was 3 minus -8. You circle the first number, 3. You circle the second number, -8, and everything in front of it. So this is positive, but this is -8, but there's a negative in front of it. It's saying, what is the opposite of -8? +8. Oh, my pen. +8. So that's positive. So I go starting at 0 again, starting at 0. Let me erase this. So we start at 0. The first integer is 3 positive. Positive are to the right of 0. Then the second one said +8. So I go 8 more units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that should have been 11 right there. And the answer is 11.